everyone, welcome back to Health Metrics. This is Harini, your registered dietitian, and today we are going to be discussing about PCOS or polycystic ovary syndrome. Polycystic ovary syndrome or PCOS is a condition that affects women's hormone levels. They produce higher than normal amounts of male hormones, and this imbalance causes them to have irregular menstrual periods and also makes it really hard for them to get pregnant. PCOS also causes hair on the face, body, and sometimes even baldness. PCOS is a syndrome or group of symptoms that affects the ovaries and ovulation. So there are three main features: cysts in the ovaries, high levels of male hormones, irregular or skipped periods. In PCOS, many small fluid-filled sacs grow inside the ovaries. The word polycystic means many cysts. These sacs are actually follicles, each one containing an immature egg, and these eggs never mature enough to trigger ovulation. So what causes it? Doctors and researchers, they don't know exactly what causes PCOS. They believe that high levels of male hormones prevent the ovaries from producing hormones and making eggs normally. Genes, insulin resistance, and inflammation have all been linked to excess androgen production. Common symptoms of PCOS. Some women start seeing the symptoms around the time of their first period. Others only discover that they have PCOS after they've gained a lot of weight or they've had trouble getting pregnant. The most common symptoms of PCOS are irregular periods. A lack of ovulation prevents the uterine lining from shedding every month. Some women with PCOS get fewer than 8 periods a year. Heavy bleeding. The uterine lining builds up for a long period of time, so the periods do get to be heavier than normal. Hair growth. More than 70% of women with this condition grow hair on their face and their body, including their back, belly, and even chest. Excess hair growth is called hirsutism. Acne. Male hormones can make the skin oilier than usual and cause breakouts on areas like the face, chest, and even the upper back. Weight gain. Up to 80% of women with PCOS are overweight or obese. Male pattern baldness. Hair on the scalp gets thinner and they eventually fall out. Darkening of the skin. Dark patches of skin can form in body creases like those on the neck, in the groin, and even under the breasts. Headaches. Hormone changes can trigger headaches in some women. Hormone imbalances can affect a woman's health in many ways. PCOS can increase the risk for infertility, metabolic syndrome, sleep apnea, endometrial cancer, and even depression. How is PCOS diagnosed? Doctors typically diagnose PCOS in women who have at least two of these three symptoms: high androgen levels, irregular menstrual cycles, and cysts in the ovaries. A pelvic exam can look for any problems with your ovaries or other parts of your reproductive tract. And blood tests can check the higher than normal levels of male hormones. Also, an ultrasound uses sound waves to look for any abnormal follicles or any other problems with your ovaries and your uterus. Pregnancy and PCOS. PCOS interrupts the normal menstrual cycle and makes it really hard to get pregnant. This condition can also increase the risk for pregnancy complications. Women with PCOS are twice as likely as women without the condition to deliver their baby prematurely. They are also at a greater risk for miscarriage, high blood pressure, and gestational diabetes. However, women with PCOS can get pregnant using fertility treatments that improve the ovulation. Losing weight and lowering blood sugar levels can improve your odds of having a very healthy pregnancy. I hope all this information was useful. Do wait for my part 2 where I will be discussing the treatment options available for PCOS and also the diet modifications that can be done for a lady with PCOS. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also like and share my video with as many friends and relatives as possible to also let them know the basic information about PCOS. So see you next time. Thank you.